It's a very interesting question, and I think you have rightly pointed out at apparent contradiction in these two things. If man is born on fitrat Allah, so then Satan has nothing to do with him. You understand? So where does Satan come from then later on? The fact is that every child is born innocent. No child is born with Satan. So that is a great advantage to mankind, is a big start. But after he is born, then he is being soiled, and gradually Satan enters the child from their parents, for instance. They unfortunately have gone far away from the time when they were born into a wilderness where they were polluted. So most often this pollution comes from their fathers, parents. This goes deep into the child and gradually turns the child into a sinful person rather than the one innocent. So that Satan runs into the blood. That also indicates that it is the blood which he is inherited from his parents, not in the beginning, but later on it begins to work. So I know it's a very difficult question, but it is, my answer is correct. There is no other way to resolve it. That you have to be aware that in your blood there is running the parent stream from generations. And in that blood there is a tendency of rebelling against God. But Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam has also said that his Satan has become Muslim. That is to say, whatever runs in his blood is exactly like when he was born. So after effect of growth in a polluted atmosphere has been completely wiped out, and there is no message he can hear from within but that of true dedicated obedience to Allah.